What? A live action How to Train Your Dragon movie? Oh, grabe. It's been, ah, hmm, ilang taon na ba? Dekada na rin ang nakalipas because I'm a fan of the franchise, the 1, 2, 3 because that movie is a part of my childhood. So a live action will be, I think it will be great. Okay, let's do this. How to Train Your Dragon official teaser. Let's go. Okay. Hit original actor Gerard Butler as himself, Chief of Perk. Ang angas. Toothless. Toothless. The iconic scene. June 30. Shit. That gave me chills, bro. Oof. It gave me chills. Oh, that was awesome. June 13. Gerald Butler as himself as yung character niya nung sa ano movie. Siya yung chief. Oof. Mapanood nga ulit yung tatlo. Angas. Panoorin ulit natin. Ang angas eh.
I can't kill dragons. But you will.
Oh, Viking! Toothless! Toothless. I need the Night Fury figure.
It's okay. I won't hurt you.
Kung ano yung itsura nung sa anime, ito sa movie, ito sa cartoon. Yun yung itsura nung sa live action. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun. Damn. Let's go 2025.